Hi everyone, it's me, VacMaster1991 again, and I'm back with the Hoover Dual Power Max Expert Pet Carpet Cleaner. It's time to fill this baby up with water. You know what, I'm just going to use the bathtub. 1 second. Get it on hot. And while it's filling, I'll go over the solution. Okay, it's heating up. Now, okay, now it's hot. Okay, so now that's filling. I'm going to keep my eye on that. But here's the solution. This is just what it came with. It's Hoover 2X Professional Strength Carpet Washer Detergent. Expert Pet. Contains enzymes, I'm pretty sure. Contains surfactants, of course. That's what solution it contains. More stuff in the back. Just anyway. Oh, and my tank is overflowing. So I need to pour some more water out. Okay, it's at the fill line. So this is a 2X detergent. So just 2 of these little capfuls right here. So not much detergent. This you probably could do a decent bit of space with just this little container. Oh yeah, I actually popped it this time. I popped the little thingy. The safety stuff, of course. That Hoover detergent smell. Most of their solutions have a pretty similar smell. Again, my carpet's not trashed. I don't need to pre-treat it, but the carpet I will be cleaning tomorrow is about as trashed as you can get. So of course, after you put your solution in, you mix the water up, and then I will be back with the Dual Power Max to clean the carpet. Stay tuned.